Hi, this is Cindi McGee. Today I'm using items from the Nature's Bounty CreateAlong box to create a Leafy Shimmer Jewelry Set. I'm using some scrap green clay for this project. I conditioned and rolled it out. It's the same thickness as the deco disc, so I just actually used those on either side and then rolled over it to roll it to the same thickness. There are 3 different deco discs in the leaf vein set that comes with this box. Choose the one that you want for this project. You do want to use a release agent when using deco discs. I prefer just using water, but you can also use cornstarch or mica powder. Some people use Armor All. I give it a little dip and then place it on the clay sheet and apply firm pressure to transfer that texture to the clay. I did this 3 times so that I would have enough textured clay to make the elements for the jewelry set. Next, I'm using the Nature's Bounty leaf template that came in the box to cut my leaves for the earrings and the pendant. You can choose whichever leaves you want, whatever size you want. I used this one here first to cut the pendant, and then 2 of the smaller ones to make the earrings. I'm not going to cut that little tail on the leaf, I just want the basic shape. And I just use a craft knife to cut around the shape. The next step was to use my tool to make a small hole in the top center of each of the wide ends of the leaves. This will be where the jump rings are attached. To highlight that texture and add that great shimmer, I'm using the Magical Forest mica powder that came in the Nature's Bounty box. Just use a soft brush, and I want to very gently spread it over the surface. I don't want to smush my texture, I just want to highlight it and add shine. I did the top and the bottom and also the outer edges of each leaf. I'm using the set of 3 wooden pendant frames that came in the box for the pendant and earrings. I wanted to add a little bit of subtle shimmer and a tint of color to them. I'm using DecoArt's media paint, and this is an interference, and it's an interference green. You could also use a dazzling metallic. It depends on how much color you want. But this interference paint, it almost looks clear when it goes on. It's very translucent, but when it's dry, you do have that touch of color and shimmer. Yet it still allows the beauty of the wood itself to show through. I coated each of these wooden elements, top and bottom, and around the edges. Next, I baked my leaves according to manufacturer instructions and let them cool. To bring all the elements together, I used this beaded chain and earring findings and jump rings to connect each of the elements together.